example of something that is not in itself wrong, but shows either a rather simplistic or a very predetermined and unfree way of thinking is in this performance of Ixion ensemble, full ensemble version. The piece has a number in each box stating how many sounds needs to be performed. And the preface says that the sounds may occur anywhere within the time frame of the box. So these pages of Ixion have a section in which the number 1 occurs in a lot of the boxes for all the players. The conductor here clearly has instructed the players to play a pitch to fill each of these boxes, making the section a very, very strange kind of Fremdkörper within the pointillistic style of the piece. It's not against the rules per se, but it is probably against the idea of how the piece works. One might say that all this is not really very serious and that it should be seen as belonging to the kind of freedom that the performer is allowed to take within the rules. But I would suggest that, at least with the music of a composer like Feldman, who had very strong views of how his music should sound, a performer should aim to play the pieces as close to the intentions of the composer as possible, doing the requisite research to know what these might have been, and perhaps be a little bit careful before adding ideas that might not fit this requirement. Or, as John Cage would say, if whenever someone asked him if they could do something in a composition of his that he had not designed it to do, well, you could always write your own